Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here, back with Mixed Media Guy.
Hello.
So he had an idea of doing an acrylic pour on a shuttlecock. So that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to kind of both do our own things a little bit and see how they come out. We've each got our own lowly veffe bowls. Right. So go ahead. Fill yours up probably about 80% of the way.
80%, you got it.
So I'm using white Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. This one is electric blue metallic from Arteza that he just used. So I'm going to use some of that too. And then he's using the metallic white purple from Artist Loft.
Oh yeah.
This is gold from Arteza.
Yes, indeed.
Dry stick here. And I don't know what color that is.
It's, I believe, an Arteza.
One of the iridescent.
Iridescent, yeah.
Shady orange. Okay.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use some of my orange here. What's the orangey yellow? I like blue and orange together.
Yeah, it's a good combo.
Okay, good. And a dash of black. And then I'm going to use some of the purple too.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Actually, nope, just kidding. Changed my mind.
Aww.
But I'm going to use some of this like turquoise, which is Art Minds, actually. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Alright, so we're going to just continue layering here until we have enough paint in our cups.
Ew.
Ew. Whoop. Okay, I'm good.
I think I'm good too. I'm liking this.
Alright. So, these are just from the dollar store. We did our best to kind of
Round them out.
round them out. My canvas is actually saggy. I am going to go put some water on the back of it, and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. For those who don't know, quick pro tip, if your canvas is saggy, just spritz the back with water, and it will tighten right up. Alright, so I'm gonna pour over just the very top of mine.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Try to pour over like the sides exactly.
No, I'm gonna let it just fall on the sides. I'm gonna tree ring it up. Ooh.
Yeah.
Very
Let it go.
Fabergé looking.
Go. I mean, I don't know if the holes will even do much, but either way, it'll still be cool.
Yeah, I'm curious to see that too. If that, I mean, it looks like it's kind of going through the holes, though. I'm curious what the center's gonna look like.
It definitely is to some degree. I'm not quite sure what degree.
Yeah, we will find out.
Yeah, we will. Uh-oh.
Ooh, look at the inside of my bowl.
Yeah.
That's so incredible.
Okay, mine's already threatening to run off the canvas here.
Oh, no.
Okay, you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Here we go. That was anticlimactic.
You know, it's cool, though. I like it. It's not quite what I was thinking, but it's cool.
Right? Mine's actually a lot more, like, blended muddy than I was anticipating.
Yeah.
Hey, stay on your side.
Stand on my side.
Mm-hmm.
Sort of.
And for those of you who don't know, my husband here, he's a musician. He just released a new album, so I'll put the link to his channel in the description. Please go ahead and check that out. Subscribe if you haven't. It's some pretty good stuff.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna try to be safe over here. This is interesting.
Yeah, right?
But I didn't really know what to expect. But it kind of gave us that a bit of a comet look.
Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. I like that.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I like it. It's definitely not as I was expecting a little more fireworks, if you know what I mean.
Right.
But at the same time, it is unique.
Yeah.
It's just more subtle unique. Yours kind of looks like a halibut. That brown shape in there looks like literally a halibut in like some muddy water. That's kind of cool, actually.
Well, there you go.
For my fisherman friends, mine looks like a face. Just a face. A very sad face.
Well, okay. So we're going to let these sit for a minute, see if anything else develops, and then we'll do our close-up.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and go in for our close-up. So here is mixed media, guys. I definitely like this part over here.
Yeah.
That's fun. I'm
digging the overall blend. There's a really good balance between the purple and the blue. It's not, neither one's like overtaking the other too much.
Yeah.
Usually,
and then the gold in there.
Yeah, it's a nice little highlight. My hot pink got totally just decimated though.
Yeah.
And actually the black I used, I didn't use much either, but there's just a couple spots where that showed up. I like that.
So you can kind of see this funky pattern is from the shuttlecock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's subtle because the paint blended quite well.
Yeah, it really did. But that is cool.
Yeah. I'm actually really not mad at mine.
Well, that's good.
I mean, it's probably not the favorite I've ever done, but it's still pretty cool. It actually reminds me, mine's a stingray. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a manta ray. Going in there.
Is it a manta ray or a stingray?
I don't know. One or the other. Okay, guys. Well, that is what happens when you pour paint through a shuttlecock.
Well, at least that way up. And by the way, my shuttlecock actually looks pretty killer, too.
It does, yeah.
I'm shocked at how amazing the shuttlecock looks.
So the other thing we could try is shaving down the bottom here a little bit so that it can sit flat.
Right.
And then pouring through it.
Well, or because it's like not going to go through the top end, you could hold the top and just pour while you were holding it from the top of the shuttlecock. Like while you were holding the little frill part.
If you really want to, yeah.
I'm just saying it's an option. I'm not saying you have to. You can do the shave thing.
All right.
There are no rules.
True. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Johnny's channel.
What?
We'll see you next time.
Peace.